Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Backendless for AppLogic without code, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to the Backendless website. Create an account if you do not already have one. Log in to your Backendless account. Once logged in, click on the Create a New App button. Enter a name for your application in the provided field. Choose the plan that fits your needs, then click Create. After your app is created, you will be directed to the Backendless dashboard. In the dashboard, select the Logic tab on the left sidebar. Click on Event Handlers to start creating your app logic. Select an event type from the list, such as before save or after delete. Choose the data table you want to apply this logic to. Click on the Add Logic button to proceed. You will now see a space to write your code or use the visual editor. If using the visual editor, drag and drop the required components to build your logic. Connect the components by clicking on the arrows to define the flow. If you prefer custom code, click on the code section and write your logic in JavaScript. Make sure to validate your code to avoid any errors. Once you are satisfied with your logic, click Save to apply the changes. To test your logic, return to the Data tab. Select the data table where you implemented the logic and perform the relevant action. Check for expected outcomes to ensure your logic works as intended. If there are issues, revisit the Logic tab to adjust your event handler. When everything is functioning correctly, document your process for future reference. You are now ready to integrate Backendless with your app for seamless logic management. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.